Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest and greatest beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the 32-inch 6x13 13x6 lace front wig, a luxurious body wave blonde wig made with 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. Whether you're a wig enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the world of lace fronts, this review will give you the full picture. This 6x13 lace front wig features a 13x6 HD Swiss lace frontal, which provides a lot of room for styling flexibility. You can easily create a middle part or a side part depending on your preference. The wig's 200% density means it's thick, full, and holds its shape well, offering a natural and voluminous look. And since it's made from virgin human hair, you can dye, perm, highlight, or curl it to match your style. As for the construction, the wig comes with an average cap size of 22.5 inches, adjustable straps, and 4 combs, which makes it easy to customize for a snug and secure fit. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs, which help create a more natural-looking hairline. Now let's talk about real-world testing. When I first received this wig, I was impressed by the softness and fullness of the hair. The texture was smooth and tangle-free, even after a few wearings. The body wave style held up well, and it was incredibly easy to style with curling irons. I did a few experiments with coloring, and it took the dye beautifully, no shedding or dryness. The lace was comfortable and didn't irritate my scalp, which is always a plus. But no product is without its drawbacks. While the wig offers great versatility, the lace can be a bit too light for some skin tones, so you may need to tint it to get a perfect match. Also, the density, while thick, may feel heavy for those who are not used to fuller wigs. It's a minor issue, but worth noting if you prefer lighter, more breathable options. On the plus side, the cap construction is really user-friendly, with the adjustable straps and combs ensuring it fits securely. The pre-plucked baby hairs are a nice touch, making the hairline blend effortlessly into your natural hair, but this may require some tweaking to get it just right for different face shapes. As for value for money, this wig strikes a balance between price and quality. It's on the higher end of the spectrum for lace front wigs, but considering its full, thick texture and the fact that it's 100% virgin human hair, the quality is undeniable. If you're someone who loves to switch up your look with custom colors or different styles, this wig could be a great investment. Comparing it to other wigs in this price range, it holds its own. Many wigs at this price point are made with mixed materials or lack the styling flexibility offered by the 6x13 13x6 lace front. The only comparable alternatives would be from high-end wig brands that offer similar versatility, but they tend to cost more. The build quality is solid, the hair is thick, the lace is durable, and the wig fits well on most head sizes, so there's no question about longevity if you treat it with care. The only area that might raise concerns is the lace color, which may require customization for different skin tones. Customer support wasn't something I had to use, but based on the reviews I've seen, the brand offers solid customer service with fast response times should any issues arise. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are some synthetic wigs that come close in terms of style and density, though they won't offer the same customization in terms of dyeing and heat styling. But if you're after something that's long-lasting and versatile, this 6x13 lace front wig stands out. To wrap things up, the 32-inch 6x13 13x6 lace front wig is a high-quality option for anyone looking for a bold, versatile, and durable wig. It offers excellent styling flexibility and natural-looking results, making it perfect for anyone who loves experimenting with their hair. Just keep in mind that the lace may need some adjustment to match your skin tone, and the density might feel heavy for some. If this review helped you out, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so other wig enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you for joining me today. If you're interested in grabbing this wig, the link will be in the comments box. And if you already own this wig or have any questions, drop a comment below. Till next time, stay fabulous and keep it beautyistic.